With the dash camera here, the rear camera is going to have to go all the way to the back here of the 4x4 Sprinter, but let's see if the wire is long enough. We got the rear camera, and just going to do a rough guide to see how far this line will go. Okay, so it looks like we'll have enough just to get back here. I'm gonna see if I can mount it right up here. I don't know if you can see with that light, but this is where the wire will reach. And this is the 144 wheelbase for the Mercedes Sprinter. So let's temporarily mount it here and see what view I get from the back. So the back view, you can see it right here. We have the rear view of the back of the Sprinter. So all we gotta do is run that wire now, tuck it in all the way to the back. So again, with the tool that they give us, so I just tucked it in along that airbag rubber cover. I'm gonna go around here and on top of the LED light all the way to the back. So it has some of these sticky things where you can just take off the wax paper, stick it here, and that way I was able to clip the cables there. Gave a little bit extra so that it could close and open. And with that closed, the wire stays there.